Sentence structure in English. Step by step. Listen and practice. Wake. I wake up. I wake up, but I feel tired. I wake up, but I feel tired because I slept late. Brush. I brush. I brush, for clean teeth are important. I brush, for clean teeth are important to avoid cavities. Wash. I wash. I wash, yet I still feel sleepy. I wash, yet I still feel sleepy because it's early. Dress. I dress. I dress so I can start my day. I dress so I can start my day feeling confident. Eat. I eat. I eat, or I drink coffee instead. I eat, or I drink coffee instead when I have no time. Drink. I drink. I drink, but I don't feel refreshed. I drink, but I don't feel refreshed because the water is warm. Leave. I leave. I leave and I check my phone. I leave and I check my phone to see my messages. Work. I work. I work, yet I feel distracted. I work, yet I feel distracted because my phone keeps buzzing. Study. I study. I study, for knowledge is important. I study, for knowledge is important to achieve success. Listen. I listen. I listen, but I don't understand. I listen, but I don't understand because you speak too fast. Right. I write. I write and I review my notes. I write and I review my notes to remember key points. Read. I read. I read, or I watch a documentary. I read, or I watch a documentary when I want something different. Discuss. I discuss. I discuss, yet I struggle to explain my thoughts. I discuss, yet I struggle to explain my thoughts clearly. Exercise. I exercise. I exercise so I stay fit. I exercise so I stay fit and strong. Relax. I relax. I relax, for my body needs rest. I relax, for my body needs rest after a busy day. Cook. I cook. I cook, or I order food. I cook, or I order food when I feel too tired. Call. I call. I call, and I talk to my best friend. I call, and I talk to my best friend about my day. Chat. I chat. I chat, yet I lose track of time. I chat, yet I lose track of time because we have fun talking. Change. I change. I change, but I forget my keys. I change, but I forget my keys because I am rushing. Drive. I drive. I drive, yet I feel nervous in traffic. I drive, yet I feel nervous in traffic because there are too many cars. Sleep. I sleep. I sleep, but I wake up often. I sleep, but I wake up often because of noisy neighbors. Close. I close. I close so I can lock the door. I close so I can lock the door before going to bed. Take. I take. I take, but I forget my notebook. I take, but I forget my notebook because I was in a hurry.